What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new Ion Series kill switch for your Ion Series illuminated door handles. Let's get into it.
At Boost Auto, we know you love our Ion Series illuminated door handles, but maybe you don't always want them on. Boost Auto now has the answer with our Ion Series kill switch. Our easy-to-install switch gives you the ability to kill all lighting functionality, or just turn off the running light while maintaining turn signal functionality all at the flip of a switch. Whether you're running standard or sequential turn signal, white or amber running lights, Boost Auto's Ion Series kill switch is a must-have for any build. Just a quick note before we get into the install. The following procedure is for vehicles equipped with Boost Auto Ion Series illuminated door handles. If your vehicle isn't yet equipped with Ion Series handles, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Before we start the install, we're just going to go over the Ion Series kill switch harness, just give you a brief breakdown and a little bit of understanding on what you're working with. So your Ion Series kill switch is going to have 5 leads coming off of it. That's going to be 2 orange, 1 blue, 1 red with a fuse, and then 1 black with a spade terminal. So the red wire, this is going to be your power input wire. So this is where you're going to get your power for the Ion Series kill switch. The blue is going to be your signal input wire. That's where you're going to have your Ion Series module power or your Ion Series running light power. Your 2 orange wires are going to be the outputs. We're only going to be using one of these for the install. We'll show you what to do with the other one during the procedure. But these are your outputs. These are what's going to go towards your module. And then this black wire here with the spade terminal is going to be used with the other harness you're going to receive with the switch. This is how we're going to ground our relay and actually control the Ion Series kill switch. The next couple steps for hooking up the Ion Series kill switch depend on how you want it to function.
The first option is to kill all lighting functionality. The second option is to kill the running light only, so you still maintain turn signal functionality. We'll walk you through both options now. Before we get started, go ahead and disconnect the primary battery and secondary battery if you have one.
Our first step is going to be locating your Ion Series module. That's either going to be on the driver's side or towards the center, towards the dash. Locate it and then we can start working. To start, locate the red wire coming out of the Ion Series module. It's going to be coming out of your input harness. It's going to be this one right here. We're going to cut about a couple inches away from the module on the harness. Make sure we have room to work on both sides of our cut. And then we're going to strip both ends of these wires. Next, we're going to take the red wire with the ring terminal coming off of our kill switch, and we're going to cut the ring terminal off. With the ring terminal cut off, we're going to strip the end of this wire too. At this time, we're going to take the red wire coming from our tap location, the one we just cut, and then the red wire that had the ring terminal on it, and we're going to take the ends of these 2 wires and we are going to twist them together.
Now find the blue wire with the attached butt connector from the kill switch harness and crimp it onto the 2 red wires we just twisted together. Now take one of the orange wires with the attached butt connectors from your kit and crimp it on the other red wire coming off the module. Now go ahead and heat shrink the butt connectors. We only need one of the orange wires, so go ahead and cut back the remaining orange wire and tape back the end. Now we'll go over how to kill the running light and keep turn signals only. Locate the orange wire on the Ion Series module. We are going to be tapping to both sides of this wire, so making sure you have enough room to work on either side, cut the wire. Then strip the ends of both orange wires. Now take the red wire from your kit with the ring terminal and fuse and cut off the ring terminal. Next, strip back the red wire and twist it together with the orange wire coming from the tap location. Now, take the blue wire with the attached butt connector from the kill switch harness and crimp it onto the wires you just twisted together. Next, take one of the orange wires with the attached butt connector from the kit and crimp it onto the orange wire coming off the Ion Series module. Now go ahead and heat shrink the butt connectors. We only need one of the orange wires, so go ahead and cut back the remaining orange wire and tape back the end. Around the area of your Ion Series module, you need to locate a body ground or chassis ground that will give you metal on metal contact. Now, go ahead and remove the nut from the ground stud. Then place the ring terminal from the switch on the stud and reinstall the nut. To install the switch, find a suitable place to mount it and drill a 13/16 inch hole. Now take the ground wire you just installed and the black and white wire from the relay and run them up through the hole and connect the black wire to pin 1 and the black and white wire to pin 2. Lastly, push the switch into place and tie up the Ion Series kill switch relay and any other loose wires under the dash up and out of the way. Lastly, reconnect your primary and secondary battery if you have one.
That's a wrap. We just finished installing your new kill switch. If you want to check out some other cool products we have to offer for your truck, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.